Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by exposing the grips. Remove mirrors and bar end weight, then back off the throttle housing bolts so the grips can move. Once done, spray penetrating oil at the inner seam and wait about 5 to 10 minutes to let it soak. Next, score a single shallow cut along the grip seam with a utility knife to break the glue bond. Take care not to nick the throttle tube. Make sure to keep the bike stable and ignition off while you work. You now focus on extracting the grip. Wedge a blunt screwdriver or pry tool into the cut seam and push inward to break adhesion, then twist and pull. If it resists, direct compressed air under the grip or heat with a hair dryer for 30 to 60 seconds to soften the glue. Alternatively, squirt a small amount of lighter fluid or isopropyl alcohol at the base to dissolve residue. Keep steady, alternate heat and twist, and protect cables. You finish by cleaning the bar and throttle tube. Remove all adhesive with 90% isopropyl or a dedicated remover, then wipe dry and inspect for nicks. When installing a new grip, use grip glue or a little soapy water to ease alignment. Slide it fully home and let adhesive set per product instructions. Once reassembled, tighten the throttle housing, reinstall bar end and mirrors, and test throttle return. Troubleshooting tip: if the new grip binds, recheck cable routing and housing alignment before riding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.